Okay, I'm going to show you a quick, easy recipe for pork chops in your crock pot. I've got four pork chops sitting here on the cutting board. An onion chopped up, cream of chicken, soup, and cream of celery. Okay, over here all stirred up. Baby, just hang on. Let me get this started and I'll feed you. You'll be alright for a couple minutes. Baby, your senior dog's whining. He's probably needing something to eat. I'm gonna feed her once I get this started. Okay, take your pepper. Take some pepper and season all your pork chops. Hang on, let me finish this, baby, and I'll feed you, honey. Obey seasoning. You can also see, put a little bit of that on it. Flip them over. And put some oil-based seasoning. And you don't have to use Old Bay, it's just the seasoning everybody here likes. We use it a lot. It's made by McCormick. And get some more black pepper on it. Here's a crock pot back here. Back. There you take your pork chops. Them down bottom your crock pot. One or two. Okay, it's one pork chop. Them down in there. And just take the onions and spread them out over them. Baby, if you can hang on about 5 more minutes, I'll feed you. Here, I'll show you who's doing the whining. That's Baby, our senior dog, who's doing the whining. She's whining. Probably want something to eat. And I'll take care of her when I get this started. I'll get her taken care of. Just hang on a minute, girl. I'll feed you when I get this started. After I get this started. There we go. And just add your cream mushroom and celery soups to it. Take a spoon, something to spread it out. You hungry too, Sonny? Alright, hang on. You guys just hang on long enough for me to get this started. I'll feed you guys. There. Okay, good. Italian seasoning. Got a little bit of that in it. Yeah, it's garlic salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. Add a little more Old Bay. I'm gonna add a little more of the Old Bay to it. A little more black pepper. And take a spoon, stir it up a little more. Get the seasonings in there better. Hang on, baby. I'm gonna feed you in a minute. Just hang on a minute. You're not gonna starve to death in a couple minutes. It's gonna take me to finish getting this started. Alright. To get all that put in your crock pot. Put your lid down on it. And set it on high. You're gonna want to let it cook for probably about 5 hours to get it done. Okay, I'm gonna pause the camera, and just start it back again in about 5 hours. When it gets done, I'll show you what it looks like once it gets done. I'll see you in about 5 hours.